The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for central Logan County in central Oklahoma, southern Payne County in central Oklahoma. Until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time, at 4:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Meriden, or near Goodnight, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: trained weather spotter. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Areas impacted include Meriden, Goodnight, Langston, Stillwater, Perkins and Coyle. Take cover now.